Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I will show you how you can change gestures sensitivity. So first go for the settings, select the display, then scroll down until you find navigation bar, go for the swipe gestures and then click for the more options. As you can see here, we got the gesture sensitivity, so we can go for the lower or higher, and here on the edges you got also preview how it's going to change. After that, if you pick your value, you can just go back, simply go back, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.